Hey guys, do you know that AI is so powerful that you can turn a static picture into a talking one using AI? So I'm going to give you steps how to do it. First, you obviously need to have a picture of yourself. The only thing is that it's just you have to make sure that you have clicked that picture in natural lighting so that your face is well visible and you have no expression. It needs to be neutral and you shouldn't be smiling. So make sure you take a picture just for this reason and don't use it for anything else. We are going to use this tool here now, and this tool is called as de-id.com. And all you have to do is go ahead and create a free account here. So they have some credits available, but eventually they do have a subscription plan that you will have to upgrade. Log in. All you have to do is go to create a video, and inside this you have lots of different AI avatars that you could choose. So go to add a photo of yourself, and as you can see, it needs to have a medium shot. Medium shot just means kind of waist high picture with neutral face expression. Go ahead and upload. You could also name your video over here and put up a name. Then you need to type in a script over here. So if you just go ahead and copy or type any script, as you have a great character limit if you want the person to pause in between the words. And you could actually expand this using AI here if you want a longer script. In fact, you can also add an audio file so that your avatar can sound just like you. Or you can simply go for AI generated voices with different styles. Now I just have to press generate video on the top, and here it's going to tell me the length of the video. And now you can see the result all by yourself.
This is actually a picture of myself that I've turned into a talking avatar.
I'm just mind blown. How did you like it? Don't forget to share it with us in the comment section below.